Further back. Back to the steps.
Ты же это миндвак.
Oh, yes.
Har du invitasjonskort?
Oh, yes. Your Holiness, today, the 10th of December, you shall be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. And I think it is a matter of significance that this day also is the birthday of the United Nations Declaration of Human Rights. Could anything be more appropriate than to celebrate this day by giving the Peace Prize to you, to a man now recognized all over the world as one of the most prominent spokesmen for the human rights as the very foundation for a true, just, and lasting peace. And accordingly, I now call upon Your Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama. Will you please enter the podium and receive the Nobel Peace Prize for 1989 with a gold medal and the diploma.
관계 도저히 녀손에 다와 담제 방배시 담배시 내전제배 고담들과 차선로 First, let me say a few words in Tibetan. 엔데야다 노르웨기 개부초당 아니 지 노벨 시디 차게 아니 초중 총면나봐 아니 치료 보면 현재리야 쉬야리야 아니 표 강정기 정기 아니 샤게 결론 아니 최지다 사발 나버 산제베 하다 택버치 중 나도 제베 하다시 다 남지宁부 동宁宁지 송도 주게 다 남지리야 즉 소송원에라 즉 시에는 대바탑에 타네 냐면체 미래이나야 강변 지변 타네 즉다 판도 전도에 되는 즉다 아니 양걸 하버 전도 라도 놀람기 단저 믹세션 요대래 아니 강전 종기 아니 즉 댄시 견주 디디의 제베 다 단달이야 즉 학생 유구 제주기 즉다 과다 넘바 탑시 강용부터 하네 즉다 후다바다 강용 지윤식 접체니 딘데싱에 기타 미직리야 대리 아니 다 시티차가 즉 년다체 딘데시 다들 타바데 나라 개경면에 즉다 시지당 즉 뽑아기야 즉 시부지 가고 중라 즉 전부 디가는 요때에 원해라 즉 단단배다 시디다 참절이야 내가 요때에 지금 미상을하기 근데 다 가고 연구를 삼듯이 하든지 힘내주 차버리 Any the Indusane, Samiland, to share Shuya, Chiktang, any Taria, the Nezuti, Permimangi, Tandingi, the Tazu, Chevete, the Monera, Zamni Mimang Tane, Gargo Yuteve, that number 7 trended the Dusri. The name in Indusane, she Monera, Tadun Inaya, she Maranzolia, she Luju Tane, Yuteve, Tabda, that she Demba Tase. 교류 용퇴하게 자와다 나라미 열라 디디정야 제도 마랭은에 다들 편제 강용 지유 제반의 신세는 마음발이나야 다시 대베타 센 뭐냐다네 다시 잠불린 심디가나 뭐냐지다 시디지다 지기지리야 자스미 되지다 지기지리야 라람 시리샤 유데 디디지다 다시 디기기 니마들 대베 잠불린 중나사베 말람 개리여라 배주다라 차이 도체 Your Majesty, members of the Nobel Committee, brothers and sisters, I am very happy to be here with you today to receive the Nobel Prize for Peace. I feel great honored, humbled, and deeply moved that you should give this important prize to a simple Buddhist monk of Tibet. I am no one special, but I believe the prize is a recognition of the true value of altruism, love, compassion, and nonviolence, which I try to practice in accordance with the teachings of the Buddha and the great sages of India and Tibet. I accept the prize with profound gratitude on behalf of the oppressed everywhere and for all those who struggle for freedom and work for world peace. I accept it as a tribute to the men who founded the modern tradition of non-violent action for change, Mahatma Gandhi, whose life taught and inspired me. And of course, I accept it on behalf of the 6 million Tibetan people, my brave countrymen and women inside Tibet, who have suffered and continue to suffer so much. They confront a calculated and systematic strategy aimed at the destruction of their national and cultural identities. The prize reaffirms our conviction that with truth, courage, and determinations as our weapons, Tibet will be liberated.
他这里有点这样。
我要出去。
아니, 네네네네네네네. this one. Oh, yeah.
You take it. You take it.
Back up. Make a corridor.
Please.
Make a corridor, please. Camera, please.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, hi.
Long live Tibet!
Oh, yeah. 그렇지.
Long live Tibet! 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 Long live Tibet!
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much.
Careful, everyone. There's a child.
They almost knew that they
Asteride trouble number the sama ani ngazo nyamdol penje mango chin lo sumju ringala du kale nyamdo je bebe mi mang suffering nyamdo kedenge chik trouble mango charis ani mango chik kanda chik lo chik ta jegu cha juni sheje kanda teri bebe mi ta bebe der nala nima tisho charis ti teri chan sama ngazo nyamdo do sin zam tobe ngazo shimish ka chons.
Today is a day when so many of our friends who have known the Tibetan people and who have shared in the suffering and the trials of the Tibetan people for a long time are here today. Some of you have shared this burden with us for over 30 years. Some of you have been relatively new, maybe 7 or 8 years. but it certainly is a very special day, and it's one of the happiest days for the Tibetan nation.
I think also, there is, for the first time, a possibility that the Chinese people themselves will also tear down the walls of China. Because basically, we believe that the Chinese are isolationists, because you'll find, first of all, the Great Wall of China, and then if you visit Beijing, particularly the Forbidden City, it is actually a wall within wall and wall and wall within wall. It, I think, psychologically shows the Chinese character. But for the first time, it seems that the Chinese people themselves, particularly the young people, are for the first time making a strong effort to break that wall from within. And I think it is our responsibility, as His Holiness has a number of times, and also I think he made a remark in his acceptance speech and also in the press conference, also to help China break that wall. And I think we Tibetans have a tremendous opportunity, historical opportunity, and also I think we are destined to help our great Eastern neighbor and breaking that wall and bringing China to the family of the great mankind. So I think this is the thought that I wanted to share, but most important is I just wanted to say thank you to so many of you who have come from so many different parts of the world to be here with us tonight. Then of course it is very difficult, particularly for a person like me who is not articulate, to describe, because I will never be able to, the feeling that I had, the feeling that you all had today, such a day will never come in our life again. I mean, we would all like to, but it's a fact that I don't think, at least I don't think it will ever come, such an event. And so once again, thank you very much for joining us, and I'm very happy to announce that His Holiness himself wanted to come briefly because he knows that so many of his friends are here today, and so he will also be with us for a few minutes at some point from the other dinner. And I will not say much because I'm sure His Holiness would like to personally say a few words to you. But once again, on behalf of all the Tibetans, the Tibetan government, and for all of us, I think, yes, thank you very much. And it really is a great day for all of us. So thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys for making this.
또 더리한다 가소리 처음엔 라르죠 그냥서 이 신경도 시비지 cancer 가소리 선나를 배 가슴 커야 될지 근데 차대요.
Today I have altogether a different kind of a feeling, and I fully realize the kind of jubilation that all our friends here also feel.
And particularly when they
Candlelight procession. Everybody had a great deal of feeling.
And of course, you see, it is very important to know our struggle still very long, how to say, long road. And definitely we will find many obstacles. So it is very important to realize that. And realization about the reality. And meantime, since I think, we have just our side.
Justice on our side.
And also our motivation is something very sincere. And also the recent, events in many places also, you see, appears very positive. So, you see, there is no point to lose our hope. And we must build, the firm determination. Say in early 60s, some of our friends, expressed us very sadly that the Tibetan cause is something dead issue, no hope. But then, at that time, almost we ourselves just alone. But we never lost our hope, and we always keep our determination. As a result, now today, after 30 years, now instead of, that issue, it seems now, reviving, new life.
New life, right?
So itself, I think some, some concrete result. So now, on the basis of these, basis or these, result, now much easier to carry more further sort of effort or further work. So that much I want to say. So this moment we are passing through most difficult period. So we need your help. Not only moral support, but active support. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming.
Goodbye. See you again.
Yes. Hope it's not too cold for you outside, is it?
Very pleasant.
Yeah,
Very
okay.
pleasant.
Thank you.
Thank you. This period we need your help. Thank you. Thank you.
Tusen takk.
Ja.
Vi snakkes.
Thank you.
Please. Ja. Du skal gjøre en det er den samme
You met him?
Oh, yes.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, George Marshall.
Yes. And two. And the one over there, you see? You are already on the wall. Yes. I had the pleasure handing over to you the real Nobel Peace Prize.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I hope you will use it for the purpose most in your mind.
Yes, actually, as soon as you see, I heard how today this prize, so my mind, the first thought was I want to do something for those people on this our same planet who are facing starvation. So you see, some portion of this money I want to contribute for, how to say, project for hunger.
Yeah.
Then second thing, I very much want to contribute. You see, in India, there are some organization who look after what say lepers.
Yes.
So actually, you see, last few occasions I made some small contribution. So now from this, some money I want to contribute for that project. Then another thing, I want to contribute some of those existing institutions who are make effort for world peace.
Yeah.
So I want to contribute
Yes.
something. Then another thing, another portion, some Tibetan institution, mainly in education.
Yeah.
I want to use some money. Then I want to establish foundation, Tibetan Foundation for Universal Responsibility. So I will.
Yes.
These are my
Very
idea.
good purposes. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Now, at the moment, you see, one of the serious matter is the population transfer, Chinese population transfer into Tibet. Now, that's really a serious matter. So if present situation remain another 10, 15 years, then Tibetan will be insignificant in their own land. Like you see Inner Mongolia. Now you see their native population around 3 millions, the Chinese population around 10 millions. In East Dagestan, also now you see Chinese population day by day increasing. So now in Tibetan case, our native population around 6 million, Chinese population already beyond 7.5 millions. So that's really a serious matter. Then you see another thing, they eventually, you see, in order to develop, how to say, the closer understanding, closer, how to say, I think, usually Chinese themselves is called the unity of motherland. Now, in order to develop that, I mean, you see the harmony between Chinese and Tibetan, the first, it should have something as a ground or basis for development of mutual respect, mutual trust. For that, you see demilitarization. First, you see limited Chinese soldier, reduce the big number of Chinese soldier, then eventually, you see, no more is a Chinese soldier. That is something crucial for that aspect. Then also the peace of that region. The India and China is the most populated two nations. So you see, the genuine friendship between these two countries. It is very essential to reduce military forces in both sides of Himalayan range. So you see, one point I made that eventually Tibet should be zone of ahimsa, zone of non-violence. Then is another point. Already there is a clear indication. Some nuclear wasting, dumping, and also some factory where nuclear weapons produce. So these is a very serious matter, and also you see the deforestation, because discriminately deforestation, these something very dangerous for long run. And then, of course, you see genuine respect about the human right violations. So you see these points, which is expressed in my 5-point peace plan. So these are the crucial matters, and particularly the population transfer is the most crucial, the serious matter. So, and you see the detailed thought, idea, how to develop the demilitarization and what kind of future Tibet. That is in my statement I made very clear. So we are passing through most difficult period. I very much inspired or encouraged your warm expression, and especially the Nobel Peace Prize. So I deeply moved. I very much.
I would like to thank you from the depth of my heart.
So thank you very much.
Yi Your Holiness, you are a symbol that shows that mankind's innermost values refuse to be crushed by oppression, physical violence, expulsion, and exile. After 30 years in exile, you are stronger than ever. And more strongly than ever, you are the embodiment of your people's hope for freedom. And more strongly than ever, your message is being listened to by the whole world. With deep respect, I welcome Your Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama, and your company to Sápmi and northern Norway.
I see.
De har fått på den siden, så det är här det må... Ja, men vi tar här.
But after a while, it's turning back more and more.
Smoke.
nödvändigt.
Jo då, han är ju naken. Då fick ju träffa på Emilia.
Since my childhood, I keen desires to see this animal. Now not only see, but I have a fun. Thank you.